It's so hot today, for real. My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps Arizona, and today we're just going to be doing the unboxing of the UST Collapsible Bucket. This was not a sponsor, by the way. As you can see, there's not too much to unbox. Honestly, I was just tired of using another bucket that I had bought for just like a couple bucks. It's a blue bucket that you maybe have seen in a couple of the videos. I got tired of using that bucket because it doesn't collapse and it takes up just a ton of room in the back of my vehicle. So I was just looking for something easy and collapsible this time. So I decided to splurge a little bit and I did buy a collapsible bucket instead. So this is the UST collapsible bucket. I bought this off of Amazon. It was about $12. So, you know, it's not too much. And honestly, I think it's well worth it because if you look, this is a nice soft silicone material. And all you do in order to pop it out is you can either pull or, you know, punch it out. Like so. And as you can see, this is the 10-liter bucket. So what I do here in Arizona is I fill this up at the start of the day and I leave it sit, and by the end of the day it's nice and warm so I can do dishes in it or you know, wash my face or do whatever throughout the day, you know, brush my hair or whatever I need to do. So these type of buckets are really great for camping. I highly recommend bringing something like this, especially to just like rinse off some of your dishes, or you know, if you have to like do some washing a little bit on your face, or you know, you're like kind of rinse yourself off during the day if it's hot, you know, these type of things work out great. And you know, these are great for kids too, you know, if they like to play in the sand or whatnot. You just have to be careful so that, because these sides are soft on this bucket, and so I feel like it could rip pretty easily if handled roughly. You see what I'm saying? So just have to be careful when handling these. Otherwise, they were great for what I use them for. You know, I just like to use it for water, and then it just collapses down. So as you can see, this one, because I live in Arizona, the plastic is very soft, right, and pliable. So it just means that it's harder to accordion down. So you just have to kind of press it in accordingly in order to fold it back down, if that makes sense. So, but once you do, it looks great. You know, this seems to be a little more difficult, whatever. Anyways, it holds 10 liters of water. It's a bucket. It's awesome. Okay. That's all there is to say about it, honestly. And what I like about it is that it's got an easy to carry handle so that it's easy to fill up. You can place this handle over the spigot and fill it up like that. And it also collapses down to the different sizes, right? So you don't have to open it up to the full 10 liters if you just need a shallow dish for your dog or something like that. This works out like this as well, see? And then you can just fill that with water and be done, right? So anyways, I thought I'd just do a quick unboxing. Honestly, I love carrying around just something simple like this, splurging on occasion for something like this. These type of things work out great, goes really well in my camping gear. So that's all. So thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video. By the way, my shirt says, I am not a robot, in case you're wondering. That's like the #1 question I get asked on my videos. Thank you so much for watching this Jillian Camps Arizona video. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.